So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to make 1,100 USD today, right? And I'm actually gonna break down the whole thing, how I was able to take this trade and what I was the reason why I actually take this trade. So as you can see here, this is the actual trade that I took this morning during London session. So I actually took this trade, as you can see here. Oh, I took the trade, it was right here. I took the trade here, huh? And then as you can see, actually the market went all the way up and it hit TP right here. You understand? So now let me explain to you guys the reason why I actually took this trade, right? So now, as you can see here, the reason why I actually took this trade, it was because let me just remove this one first. I took this trade because the market was actually consolidating, and this is one of my favorite patterns. So as you can see here, the market was consolidating, and then the market was actually forming a triangle pattern. All right, so here the market was actually forming a triangle pattern, and every time the market form a triangle pattern, if the triangle is actually going down, meaning that the market has high chances to go up, right? So you just have to wait to see where the market is gonna break. So here I was actually waiting for the market to break. So as soon as the market break here, what I actually did, I actually take a trade, and my stop loss was below the triangle pattern. And that's exactly what I did in this case. So if we can just go back, and so that you can see the how it looks like. As you can see, I actually took my trade here as soon as the market to break this triangle here, and then I hold it, and then my stop loss was right here. Now remember, my strategy for me to take profit, I only aim 1:3, right? So I'm always put the 1:3, and then I'm actually gonna leave the market do its job. I'm not gonna close, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna let the market go and hit my TP, or the market go and hit my stop loss, because that's discipline. That's what I actually taught myself, as like, in order for me to take forex serious, I need to have a discipline. Once you in. Once you take a trade, treat it as a contract. Once you take a contract, just let it go till the contract is finished. Don't close in the middle of a trade, or don't just close when the market is going to your loss due to fear or something like that. That's the main reason why I actually took this trade. You understand? So, and this trade, I actually took it in a VIP group as well. As you know, we have a VIP group for those who actually wanna earn while they still learning. So as you can see, let's just go back here on my VIP group. This is the VIP group. As you can see, we took this trade over here. You can see this is the one, right? I actually sent in a VIP group, and I told them, let's buy this one. That's when we bought, and then I was updating every time the market was going up, as you can see. And yeah, this is my screenshot actually. So as you can see, I ended up with a 1,114. Now it's because the market actually moved the 120 pips, but personally, I actually enter late. I actually entered this trade late. That's the main reason why I actually caught only 110 pips, but the market actually moved 130 pips. So as you can see, so that's how transparency we are in this VIP group, because it's a new here, guys, and we have to have transparency. Understand it's time for us to take everything serious, and this is just a New York session. London session, because I do trade in London and a New York session. So now we are done for London session. We're gonna be waiting again to come and trade during New York session. You understand? So yeah, that's just it, guys. So let me just go back here so that we can actually see the whole thing. So as you can see, now we can actually calculate the pips. If you are not sure, as you can see, the market actually moved 132 pips That's a 1,326 points. You understand? So yeah, that's just again. And now we're actually waiting for New York session, because I actually like when a New York session and London session are active together, because the momentum, and you actually find some clear trends during that moment, But also it's a way risky, because the pips or stop loss is always high, but that's what I like to trade. You understand? So we're gonna trade again with the VIP members later during New York session. That's exactly what we always do. So as you can see today, right now we already win the first trade with the 1:3, right? Which means even if we lose another trade during New York session, we're still gonna be in a profit. But if we win, we're gonna be six. We need actually six more losses to end the week in a loss. So meaning that we are already in a good position for this week first, because I only traded 1 to 2 trades per session. All right. So and now we're already done for this session. As soon as we win, we are done. You understand? So now we're gonna wait later during New York session games. So you already know what time it is. And I'm back. I'm gonna be updating you guys everything. And yeah, so for those who was asking which broker do I use, I personally use Vantage Markets. Now we leave the link down below in the description. One of the best broker right now. They are doing very good. The deposit is quick, withdraw is instant. Like the moment you just press withdraw, and you already got your money in your bank account without any delays. So that's one thing I love about it. And also spread is very small, guys. I don't know, you won't believe it. Just go ahead and open an account, and then just let me know. Just give me your feedback. But also, if you want to join our free group, we actually have a free group where we actually share knowledges, and where you actually gonna be in a. It's one of the best free VIP group, right? Free group. So I will leave the link down below to join. It's free, right? But we also have a VIP, which is optional, but you have to pay for it. So it's optional for those who wanna learn, and while they for those who want to learn and earn at the same time. You understand, which is very very good. And that's the main reason why I opened this VIP group and this free group. So in the free group you learn, and in the VIP group you earn at the same time while you're still learning. You understand? So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video, guys. Like I said, I'm back on the YouTube. I'm gonna be updating you every single time. Yeah. So I'm gonna be updating you. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe, like, so that you don't miss to the next video. So till then, guys, if you have any question, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm gonna come to you. I'm gonna reply to you guys, or I'm gonna make another video for whatever question that you have. Yeah. So without further ado, I will see you again on the next video. Make sure you're in the free Telegram group. The link is down below in the description.